For my speakers on the workbench, I decided to use these Pinnacle monitor speakers. They have a pretty good frequency response and they sound okay, but both of them have a problem of where the air port or bass tube or resonator, whatever you want to call it, is loose. So let's tear this apart, clean this up, and re-glue this, and so I can get these onto the bench. Okay, and here is the resonator. It looks like it was glued in with hot glue. And I don't know how. I might be able to get you to see that. There we go. So what I've got to do is I've got to remove all of this hot glue here. And then clean up the end of the port and glue it back in. So let's get started. I got a dental pick here that I'm going to use to try to pull this apart. Okay, let's put some hot glue on this. Okay, let's let that cool down and we'll start putting it back together. Okay, that looks pretty good. Doesn't look like I'm going to be able to pop this cone back out. Might be able to try a little bit of water on that. Let's see. With this being bent like this, it's not going to affect the sound quality at all, but aesthetically, it doesn't look very good. I think what I'll do is I'll just leave it just like that, let it dry. Let's see what happens. Be right back. Looks like everything is dry. I'm feeling the moisture that was on the Q-tip, and it's evaporated. So let's see what happens here. Very nice. Looks like that dent is gone. There we go. Now I was using this as a test speaker, or speakers I mean, a Sony STR-230. I'll go ahead and bring up that portion of the video where I was playing it. And we'll go ahead and put this on the workbench and hook it up to the SDR. And we'll have ourselves a working system.
They're stressing all the details throughout the season, for this moment right here. It's been working out for us.
Booker with 28 points, Chris Paul 27 for Denver.
If you found this video useful or entertaining, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to click on the bell icon to be notified of upcoming videos. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thanks for watching.